Hey guys, this is Wesley, $1 billion version. I want to introduce you to the Done For You girl. Guys, I've been on the internet for about 5 to 7 years, made over $40 million. And this young lady here with the green on, she kept knocking on my door in my IG and begging me to train her how to make money online. She's doing it. She's making like 70 grand a month, right?
Every month.
But she did something crazy. I'm gonna let her talk about it because I'm not with it.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ariella, and I am the Done For You girl. That's right. I do it for you. We are here in Thailand, Phuket, living our best life. My hair is blowing. I look crazy, but the important message is that let me do the work for you. I'll guarantee you your first sale in less than 90 days. All you need to do is take action, click the button below, and join me living our best life wherever you want, financially free, and living life on your own terms, baby. Click the button below and join me right now.
Let's go. Ooh, that was good.